Hi guys, want to see how I make the Fidget toys? Well, here I am. I'm going to show you guys how to make a puppet. So, when I made this, it's not really done yet. That's because I wanted to show you guys how I do the rest. So, this is actually pretty cool. You can, like, pop. So, these are actually really cool. I like them. So normally I just pop them like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Where's the holes like this though? So I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna pop them all again. This is homemade, and I think I could show you guys how I put in these other ones. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make this. Okay, so first we will need some paper. So this is the paper that I used to make some of them. So it has like holes in them. So we need a scissors. Safety first. And don't help. Okay, and then I need a pencil. Let me find a good pencil. Okay, this pencil is good. It's like that's a pen. Okay. You know, I don't think that works properly. Maybe I should just get one right here. A nice pencil. And now I'm gonna go and I am going to get any color pencil. I'm gonna do it blue because I don't have a blue pocket. So I'm gonna do like one that's not like normal colored. How about a green and black gradient one with an orange background with my orange color pencil over there. Okay, please be my color pencil. Okay, it's right here, so I'm gonna first I'm gonna do this. Let me see if I can tilt my camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I think this is a paper. But okay, so here's like right here I'm gonna draw a quick little, like circle right there. That one doesn't look very good. I'm gonna keep on drawing until I get the perfect circle. No, I don't think that's perfect. Okay. That's gonna be a big poppet. So let's see. Now we're gonna color it in. So I said I wanted orange. So I'm gonna color it around like a ring, an orange ring around it. So I'm gonna color it in. I'm not gonna cut the video because it make it look like we did something. So no, I'm not cutting the video. So then I'm just going to color in this, and then I'm gonna gradient. Okay, this will do. And then I'm gonna do some green. You guys are literally okay. Okay, it's not happening anymore. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Oh no. Okay, so there you go. That's what we drew, and then we're gonna turn it around. And then we're gonna draw a circle, looking exactly like. Guys, I'm not gonna do something without you. And then we're gonna draw it over. Like I'm gonna draw something else now. I think I'm gonna draw orange. There'll be a bit of green around it. It's gonna be spooky and a bit like gooey. So I'm gonna green around it. And then I'm just gonna make the background black because black is the spookiest color in the world. Most spooky. Most spooky is more spooky. Okay. I'm gonna say the more spooky. Okay. Okay, there we go. So now we are going to fold it in half. We're going to fold the circle in half. And remember what I said, I'm not going to cut the video and do something without you guys. I want you guys to learn how to make your own pockets, okay? So don't think it's not going to work because I did something. Don't do it wrong and say, oh my god, no. Oh my gosh, this thing can't fold properly. Okay, now I'm going to fold the circle there. Now let me just fold it back. Okay. There, I guess that'll do it, but it's not like fully complete. Do you guys think that's even? I don't think it is, but I think we're just gonna have to do with it. Okay, then we're gonna get our scissors and we're gonna go and cut out half a circle. If you guys are seeing. So we're gonna cut out the half a circle on a folded piece of paper. So what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna cut out this. We're gonna fold it. I'm gonna fold the circle in half, and then we're just gonna cut off. Okay, there we go. I think it was even a bit, but let me show you guys. So it turned out to be this. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a bit purple. Let me see. Maybe the lights are off. Okay, I'm gonna go turn the lights. Change that. Okay, the lights are on. Now let's see. Hopefully. Wow. Wow, you guys cannot see that. Wow. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna get some tape here. Wait, put some tape here. No, that's invisible. That's not tape. I put some tape here and I don't know where it went. You know, maybe I might need some new tape. Okay. Okay, some new tape. So we are going to get this amount of tape for the full entire pocket. So here, so for the first, you just want to cut this out, and then you're just gonna cut it out again. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then we're just gonna stick these, well, somewhere that we wouldn't lose them. How about, like, right here on my keyboard, because it's like... Okay, and now that we have our circle, we're just gonna get rid of the little crease spot. And then we're just gonna cut, like, a line in it. Okay, then you just want to turn it over, like, let me show you. Turn it over, and then you're just gonna fold it in that. So now it looks like that, you know? And then it's like folded. So let me show you. So it's like a regular circle with a little cut, right? You want to pull one side, and then you're just gonna take it and like make it go over. Okay, like that. Now with the other piece of tape, you just want to cut this side, cut this side. So you only need two little pieces like this. This is all you need. So then we're just gonna stick them here. Okay. Okay, now to fold it like how I showed you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys remember. Okay, now it looks like that. Okay, right here. Oh no. That's okay, it didn't ruin because the tape is like folding it. Then you want to put it on the folded piece, like the line that you folded. If you guys don't know how to fold it. I said cut the side and then turn it, put it on top of the other, and then tape it. Okay. Okay, then we're going to cut off all the extra tape that's going to the end. And then there we have it. If you want to check how it pops, I'm fine with that. Okay, it's kind of hard to pop. Okay, let me see. Pop. What? Okay. Pop. Okay. Pop. Okay. For some reason, okay. So, since the tape's doing that, then I think we need to cut off these sides too. And get rid of that extra piece. Okay. There we have it. A nice pop. So, a nice pop it. I'm gonna pop, 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 pop. Time to make the poppet. So, copy that. Except the part when we just did the paper. So, I have also made something. Oh, right here. Right here. Pop, pop, and pop, and pop, and pop. Some of them are giving trouble except for this one. This is the only one that I made that's not really giving much trouble. I like it though. It doesn't give trouble. It's good. It's good the way it is. Okay, and we need this one. Oh, this one's not giving much trouble anymore. Is that the tape sticks? I think it was because I put way too much tape, and I put it at the top here. Let me cut the tape at the top here. Okay, now we're gonna stick it. Let me see. Oh, it's right here. Okay, there. I hope I didn't stick it in the wrong place again. Okay, there, right there. Then we're gonna cut it again, and then boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's enough. So, yeah, I don't know how to bring this again. I already have this cut up piece. So you're gonna cut up whatever shape you want it to be. How about Among Us? So I'm gonna draw an Among Us character outline real quick. If you guys want to see them here. So you guys can see I'm drawing an Among Us character outline. So, okay, there. Okay. Then I am just going to cut out a square right there. So tape attached. Okay. And I'm gonna cut that fell again. Wow, I am not surprised. Okay. Then we have this line. So now we're gonna just cut it out. It's that simple. It's simple. Simple, simple. Okay. For me to cut. Yeah, we'll have to cut this video because it's literally 14 minutes. Okay. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. So I realized that it's like much smaller, so we might only be able to fit one. That's okay. You could like put it up here, and then they could like be big. I think we should put it up here because it's like good for the style. Okay, in this direction, you can pop it. It's pretty cool. So then what we're gonna do is that it's gonna try to. Wait. Let me just hold this here so we can see. Can you guys see? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. So we're gonna like go here, and then we're just gonna remember. Like this. Let me make sure. Okay, that's pretty good. That's shapes. Okay, now we are going. Now we are going to fold it. So yes, we're gonna fold it. Okay, good. So we fold it in. Something making me feel like this is not half. Yeah, that is not half. Okay, I guess this is half. So now we're just gonna go on this side and we're gonna cut out this half right here. Okay. Hopefully nothing wrong happens because a lot of wrong things seem to occur in these videos sometimes. Okay. Now we've got, oh my god. I guess that wasn't half. Maybe I might need to like cut this again. Okay. Okay, so now we have, so if you want we can color it because, yeah. So I'm gonna color it on the count of 3, 2, 1. There we go. She's all pink. So, remember the 4 tapes we had that I just attached to my keyboard? Well, we'll need those now. So, we're just gonna, you guys, you can see. Let me just move my color pencils. Okay. So, we are going to put this, like, right here on, but it needs to be this side, okay? Like, this way on the helmet. Then we need to take the tape from one side, and then we're gonna, I think this tape is way too big. Okay, we're gonna take the tape, okay, just put it back in. Okay, then we're gonna take the tape, and then we're just gonna tape it there. And take another tape, and then we're gonna tape it up there, okay. And then another tape now, and then just tape it there. And then the last tape we're gonna use for here, and then we're just gonna tape it right there. So I'm just kind of, okay. Looks like our poppet is done. Let's test it out. Woohoo! So fun. Wow, guys, look what we just did. This is so fun and so satisfying. I'm so glad we're done. Did you see that? ASMR. You hear that? ASMR, please. That doesn't make much sound, but this does. This does. This is the loud side. Yeah. Okay, guys, so you will be happy with your pink Among Us. Pop it, like pop. You can pop it again. Pop. You can pop it again. That is just super duper fun. And for you guys watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if this little craft worked for you. And since my brother and I, Movie Master, just hit 100 subscribers a couple weeks ago, so I just can't believe it, and I'll be giving him this as a prize. Well, my brother said candy and jelly fruits. I said the jelly fruits there, I thought, because they would make it coronavirus. Give me 1 second to call them. Yeah, I have no jelly.